Hi everyone, so for this week's design I'm starting with this burgundy, and over the top is a good old classic polish. This is Essie Shine of the Times, and depending what polish your base is will depend what colour the flakies will show up. So as you can see, this has turned it into a kind of reddish orange with some flecks of green and yellow on the edges. I don't think you can quite see the green on the camera, but definitely there in real life. Using dotting tool in two different sizes, we're going to create a 5-petaled flower at the side of the nail, and then a couple of rows of dots coming out from the left and the right, as you can see here. Lastly, we just need to pop the rhinestone into the flower centre.